Now class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject is GSC. We are studying lesson 12. Three states of matter. Three states of matter. We are studying three states of matter. So before starting this lesson, there are few pre-reading questions. Read. Look around you. Look around you. Name few things that occupy space and have weight. Name few things that occupy space and have weight. Have you seen an inflated balloon? Have you seen an inflated balloon? What is it filled with? You have seen the balloon when it is inflated. How it inflated? When you fill the air, it inflated. So look at the pictures given. What are they made up of? What are they made up of? One is the belt you are looking here. Second is box is there. Third is the bottle that contains some water. And fourth you see the footballs. Pictures you see that is given here. Aim of this lesson to enable the students to. What is aim of this lesson? Aim of study this lesson to enable the students to enable the students to, number one, be able to understand the concept of matter. First, be able to understand the concept of matter. Concept of matter. First, be able to understand the concept of matter. Second, be able to identify. Be able to identify different states of matter. Different states of matter. And third, understand the terms. Third one, understand the terms. Solute, solvent, and solution. and solution. So these are our aim. What is aim? To study the three states of matter. First, to enable the students to be able to understand the concept of matter. So first, students have to know what is the matter and how many states. First, concept of the matter. What is the matter? Next, able to identify different states of matter. First, we tell about the matter, then different states of the matter, then you have to understand the materials or the matters and their the states. Suppose chair is there, you have to find the state of the chair. In which state chair is. Water, you have to understand the state of the water. And the balloon filled the air. So you understand the state of the gas which is filled in the balloon. Next, understand the terms solute, solvent and solution. Different terms are there, solute, solvent and the solution. So you have to understand the different terms. So we have to study these things in this lesson. So we can start reading. Matter is anything that has weight or mass and occupies space. Anything having mass or weight and occupies space is called as the matter. Everything around us is made up of matter. What thing we see around us, that is a matter. Air is also a matter. Air is also a matter. Chair, table, furniture, oil, these are the matter. Stones, wood, milk, water, petrol, oxygen, carbon dioxide and smoke are some examples of the matter. These are the matter. So all matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. All the matters are made up of very tiny particles. These particles are called as molecules. Molecules are so tiny that they cannot be seen by naked eyes. Molecules are so tiny that they cannot be seen by naked eyes. We cannot see the molecules by naked eyes. We can see the molecules only with the help of the microscopes. Molecules are made up of still smaller particles called atom. Molecules are made up of still smaller particles called the atoms. Atoms are the smallest thing that can be identified as a material. So atoms are the smallest thing that can be identified as material. As a whole, all materials are called matter. All the materials called matter. So So matter exists in three states. Matter exists in three states. These states are solids, liquids, and gases. So first we have to study about the solids. See some examples of the solids. Solids: brick, stones, or the table, chair. These things are examples of these solids. A solid has certain size and shape. A solid has certain size and shape. In solids, the molecules are very close to each other. In solids, the molecules are very close to each other. They are closely packed. That is why solids are hard and rigid. They have different shape, occupy different shape and different volume. Computer, desk, and floors are some examples of solids. So you try to understand the property of solids and make the list of solid materials. Thank you. That's for today.